Welcome to Puzzle Land, a place where challenges await at every corner. But don't worry, with the right set of instructions, any problem can be solved. This is the world of algorithms. Imagine you're on an adventure, and you come across a treasure chest, but it's locked. An algorithm is like a magical key made up of step-by-step instructions that helps you unlock it. In computer science, an algorithm is a set of steps or rules to follow in order to solve problems or complete tasks. Just like following a recipe to bake a cake, each step in an algorithm takes you closer to the solution. Algorithms are everywhere. Tying your shoes, cooking a meal, or assembling a piece of furniture, all these activities follow algorithms, a series of steps that guide you to a desired outcome. In the digital realm, algorithms power everything from your favorite video games to searching for information online and even guiding robots. They tell computers exactly what steps to take to achieve a goal. Creating an algorithm is like planning your path through an obstacle course. You decide the steps, jump over the log, swing across the mud, and dash to the finish line. Each step is clear and leads to your goal. But algorithms aren't just for small tasks. They can organize vast libraries, manage busy traffic in megacities, predict weather, and even explore distant planets. They're the hidden heroes behind many of the wonders of our world. So, the next time you solve a puzzle or make a plan, remember, you're using algorithms. These fantastic sets of instructions help us solve problems, big and small, making our world a little easier to navigate. Thanks for exploring the world of algorithms with us. Stay curious, keep learning, and who knows what problems you'll solve next. See you in our next adventure.